Hey everyone, David Coe, the Core Real Estate Group. Hey, I want to share a story about disposing some chemicals and products we had here at the house. So we're in the process of paring down and getting ready to build an ADU in our garage, and we had all these leftover paint, chemicals, pesticides, fertilizer, batteries, all kinds of things that we had to get rid of. So I did a search on the internet and actually found a company that was willing to come and take it, but they wanted to come charge a lot of money to run testing on all these chemicals to make sure they can take it. It was coming out to anywhere from $300 to $500 based on the amount of materials that we had. So we continue to dive a little bit safer, a little bit deeper, and we actually found a website, which I have the link below, for safe centers here in the city of LA and really covers LA County. It didn't cost us anything. We just had to load everything up into the car, bring it by. They unloaded everything out of the back of the car. Probably the same thing that people were going to do, that were going to charge us $300 to $500 after they took all of our stuff and ran some bogus test. But if you've got chemicals, if you're looking to get rid of some hazardous waste materials and you can't put it out in the trash, check out the link below if you live in LA County. And if not, do a Google search for safe centers. More than likely, you've got a place in your community that will accept hazardous materials without any cost at all. So hopefully that was helpful. David Coe, the Core Real Estate Group. If you have any other questions we can answer about being a homeowner, about buying a home, we'd love to answer. Please feel free to give myself or someone from the team a call. Talk to you soon.